Good morning, students. So let's continue with admission of partnership. Take down illustration 65. Following is the balance sheet of ABC who share profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. So they have given us old ratio 3:2:1. On 1st April, they admit D as a partner in following condition. D will bring 1,20,000 as his capital. So D's capital is 1,20,000 and also 30,000 as goodwill premium. So D's goodwill will be 30,000 for quarter of the share in the future profit loss of the firm. So D's share is, they have given a quarter. Quarter is nothing but 1/4 share. Next, adjustment to the value of fixed asset of the firm will be increased by 10% before the admission of D. Only fixed asset values increase by 10%. So which are the fixed asset? Furniture and business premises. The future profit and loss of the firm will be shared equally. They have given us new ratio. What is the new ratio? Equally, which is 1:1:1:1. So what is the first step? The first step is to calculate the sacrifice ratio. Write down calculation of sacrifice ratio. What is the formula? Old ratio minus new ratio. A, B, C. So what is the old ratio of A? 3/6 minus 1/4. What is the LCM? 24. 12 minus 6, that is 6/24. Is it sacrifice or gain? It is sacrifice. Next B, we have 2/6 minus 1/4. Again LCM is 24. 8 minus 6, that is 2/24. Again it is gain or sacrifice? Again it is sacrifice. And last we have C. How much is it? 1/6 minus 1/4. LCM is 24. 4 minus 6. So it is minus 2/24. Is it sacrifice or gain? It is gain. So the goodwill of the new partner D will only be given to A and B because only A and B have sacrificed the ratio. And the goodwill of C will be given to both A and B because C has gained and A and B have sacrificed. After calculating the sacrifice ratio, next is to calculate the goodwill of the firm. Calculation of the goodwill of the firm. So they have given us D's share of goodwill. How much is it? 30,000. D's share of profit is given. D's share of profit is 1/4. So total value of goodwill, how much is it? 30,000 into 4/1, that is 1,20,000. So the total amount of goodwill of the firm will be 1,20,000. So what is the first step? What have they asked us in the question? They have asked us to show journal entries, prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and opening balance sheet of the new firm. So first we'll have journal entries. Write down journal entries. Draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So we have 1st April 2016. Furniture and premises is increased by 10%. So furniture account debited, business premises account debited to revaluation account. Furniture, what is the value in the old balance sheet? It is 95,000. 95,000 into 10/100, 9,500. Business premises 2,05,000 into 10/100, we have 20,500. Total is 30,000. Write down the narration. Increase in the value of assets. Anything else in revaluation account? Nothing has been given. So is it a profit or loss? It is profit. So what is the journal entry? Revaluation account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account to C's capital account in their old ratio. So what is the profit? 30,000. So 30,000 into 3 by 6 for A, 15,000. 30,000 into 2 by 6, 10,000. 30,000 into 1 by 6, 5,000. Write the narration. Transfer profit on revaluation in the ratio 3:2:1. Then the new partner has brought capital and goodwill. So bank account debited to D's capital account to premium for goodwill account. How much capital did he bring? 1,20,000. Goodwill he brought 30,000. Total is 1,50,000. Write down the narration. Amount brought in by D for capital and premium for goodwill. Now this premium for goodwill will be transferred to the sacrificing partner in sacrificing ratio. So who are the sacrificing partner? To A's capital account, to B's capital account. Why not C? Because C has not brought any, because C has not sacrificed any ratio. So it is 30,000 into, what's the sacrifice ratio? 6:2 or 3:1. 3 by 4, how much do we get? 22,500. And 30,000 into 1 by 4 we get 7,500. Write down the narration. Premium for goodwill brought in by D credited to A and B in their sacrificing ratio of 3:1. Last, what is the entry? C has gained a part of goodwill, whereas A and B have sacrificed. So it will be gaining partner's capital account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. So it is C's capital account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. How much is the goodwill of firm? 1,20,000. 1 by 12 is gained by C. So 10,000 he will be compensating between A and B in sacrificing ratio. So 10,000 into 3 by 4. How much is it? 7,500. 10,000 into 1 by 4, that is 2,500. Write down the narration. Adjustment for goodwill for acquiring 1/12 share by C from A and B in their sacrificing ratio. Next, they have asked us to prepare the revaluation account. Draw the format: particulars, amount, particulars and amount. We have debit side and credit side. So first we have buy furniture account. How much is it? We have already returned the journal entries, 9,500. Then we have buy business premises, 20,500. Nothing else has been given. So what is the total? 30,000. This 30,000 will be transferred to partners capital account, to partners capital account in their old ratio. A, B, C. 15,000, 10,000, 5,000. That is 30,000. After we have done with the revaluation account, next is to do the partners capital account. A, B, C, D, A, B, C and D. So the first step is to bring down the balance by balance brought down from the old balance sheet. A, B and C. A, it is 1,20,000. B, 1,20,000. C, 1,20,000. For D, there is nothing. Then we have profit on revaluation. By revaluation account, 15,000, 10,000, 5,000. For D, again nothing. Then we have D brings capital. So by bank account, how much capital did D bring? 1,20,000. And then we have D's share of goodwill. That goodwill is to sacrificing partners. So by premium of goodwill, how much is it? For A it is 22,500, B it is 7,500, C and D again it is nil. Then we have to A's capital account, to B's capital account, that is C has brought the share of goodwill, which means C has given his share of goodwill, 7,500 to A, 2,500 to C. And on the credit side, we'll have by C's capital account. He has given A and B, A 7,500, B 2,500. Next we need to total. Which side is more? Our credit side is more. How much is the total? For A it is 1,65,000. For B it is 1,40,000. For C it is 1,25,000 and for D it is 1,20,000. Same will be written on the debit side. What's the balancing figure? It will be 2 balance carried down. A it is 1,65,000. B it is 1,40,000. C it is 1,25,000 minus 10,000, that is 1,15,000, and D it is 1,20,000. This will be written in the balance sheet. Next we need to prepare our bank account. We have particulars, amount, particulars and amount, debit side, credit side. First step is to bring down the balance. 2 balance brought down. How much is it? In the old balance sheet they have given us, it is 15,000. Then we have to C's. Then we have to D's capital account, 1,20,000. Then we have to goodwill, premium for goodwill, that is 30,000. So what is the total? 1,50,000 plus 15,000. It is 1,65,000. 1,65,000 by balance carried down. Go to the question once. In a balance sheet they have given both cash in hand and cash at bank. So you might be confused whether I should be taking cash in hand or cash at bank. If both cash in hand and bank is given, you should always consider cash at bank. Okay. Last we have is opening balance sheet. So balance sheet as on 1st April 2016. Liabilities, amount, assets and amount. So furniture is increased by 10,000. So how much will it be? 1,04,500. How is it? It is old furniture is 95,000 plus 9,500. Then we have business premises. Business premises will be 2,05,000 plus 20,500. We get 2,25,500. Then we have stock 40,000. Debtors 28,000. Cash at bank, we did the bank account, that balance should be written 1,65,000. And cash in hand, that is 4,200. On the liability side, we have sundry creditors, that is 20,000. Then we have outstanding salary and wages, it is 7,200. Then we have capital A, B, C and D. How much is it? 1,65,000 of A, 1,40,000 of B, 1,15,000 C, 1,20,000 D. Total is 5,40,000. So what is the total of balance sheet? 5,67,200, 5,67,200. So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.